Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm Gowtham and thanks for tuning into the video. I'm doing this video because so many people are asking me can they go with this laptop or not, and they're asking whether it is worth for the price or not. So I'm doing this video. In this video I'm gonna talk about the things I noticed in my laptop and gonna review the performance of this laptop. And let's get started. Now let's start talking about the laptop. Now I'm going to talk about the main thing which made me to bring this laptop especially. This laptop is doing a very good job. I did not notice massive heat, and when playing high graphic games we need to set the fan speed to maximum, then only you get good performance. If you leave it in auto, the fan speeds are not being increased. I have observed that so many times, and I feel some heat on the deck region after playing 4 to 5 hours because I place the laptop on a surface like it's a bench, so I get heat because there won't be dispersion from the base of the laptop. So I think I got some heat, and the fans are doing very good job. And that too, I have tested this laptop by playing 7 to 8 hours continuously at ultra and high graphic settings, the games like The Crew and The Witcher, GTA 5. But one thing you need to notice is that when you set the fan speed to high, you can't even hear the sound from its own speakers. That's the level of noise from the fans. You feel like you're beside a fighter jet or fighter plane. That's the level of sound from that. And so far I have not noticed any frame drops. The gaming is like fantastic, and that's what the laptop is designed for. And coming to the graphic card on this laptop. This laptop got a 16 series 1660 Ti card of 6GB, which can handle any kind of game without any problem. I tested it with many of the AAA titles and got decent results. I used to get 60 frames per second at high and ultra settings, which is a good thing. You don't need to go for a capture card if you want to stream, and that's the main advantage of these graphic cards, which I'm able to stream some games online. And the main thing is I did not see any bottlenecking. I haven't noticed anything with this i5 9th gen processor. So many people ask me like, is it bottlenecking or what? No, it's not bottlenecking. You can just go for that. And even you can just double the speeds of the graphic card by clicking the turbo key, which I do not recommend because it's not needed. You can just get maximum performance with this. And why do I go for the turbo key? And even coming to the rendering speeds, I'm getting decent speeds when I edit high quality videos in Premiere Pro CC. So it's even good for creators. And coming to the processor, this is powered by i5 9th generation processor of H series, which stands for high performance graphics. And the clock speeds are like 3.9 GHz at maximum load on this. And one thing you need to note is that you can't just double or you can't just increase the speed of this processor by clicking the turbo key, because it's not the K series of the processor which is enabled for overclocking. And even this is having Intel Optane memory, which allows you to access your hard disk or your SSD's data faster than ever. And the keyboard on this device, you get a nice mechanical feel when you click. And the keyboard is a customizable RGB keyboard, which you can customize your colors. You can just customize it to what color you want from the Predator Sense app, and you can even control the brightness level of the keys. But coming to the shift key, it's a bit weirdly positioned. And the trackpad got nice clicks and is powered by Windows Precision drivers, which is a good thing, and you get some smooth feel. And now coming to the display of the laptop, it's a 15.6 inch HD IPS panel with decent color ratio. I have noticed screen bleeds for this, which are not noticeable in daily environment, and I think that's not a big issue with this. And the brightness on the screen is very good, and you can do outdoor gaming. And the color ratios on this device are very accurate that even a content creator can use this very well. And coming to the battery, this is powered by 4-cell 48-watt battery. And you get 4 to 5 hours while you're working on less resource hungry applications like Microsoft Word, Notepad or something. You can't expect more than this because it's a gaming laptop. And coming to gaming on battery, you can't even play a game because the frame rate drops to 20 or 15. And coming to the sound on this laptop, the audio on this device is like dumb. Even my phone sounds far better than this. See, I can't even feel the background music of some YouTube videos. I'm able to play a game at maximum volume besides a sleeping baby. That's the level of sound. You can understand, right? And I guess this will be eliminated after giving some driver updates or something. Let's see. It's very worst. This laptop is a fingerprint magnet being metal, and even you can feel some sweat while you're working with that. And one more thing is that you need to handle it carefully and see that you won't allow it for damages or scratches. And coming to the main cons of this laptop, I did not find anything except the sound, which is very bad till now. And I expect an update for the sound, which it may be rectified. And also here is an update. Acer has launched its 2020 lineup with Predator Triton 300, Helios 300. Everything is similar. Nothing has changed from the previous. I think there will be a bit small changes like giving the latest gen processors and graphic cards. And that's all for today's video. Stay safe. Bye bye.